Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Shrutika and today we are going to Karol Bagh. Today is 19th September, exactly one day after I had taken my car delivery, and we are going for the modification of the car. So the modification which I have planned is first of all alloy wheels, because there were no alloy wheels provided for this model, as you all know. So I'm going to look for diamond cut alloys, and yeah, I have a rough idea of how I want it. So let's see if I could find what I am planning to. And secondly, I will put seat covers. Like, I really love the vibe of the car right now. I am in love with the seat covers that the company had provided, but those are beige in color tone, so I do not want them to get spoiled. So I am a little concerned and skeptical about the same, because I'm not sure whether I'm going to put seat covers or not. I'll decide it on the way, and I'll decide it if I find the right seat covers which match with the vibe of the car. So that is one point. And the next one, we have to put camera for the parking. So that is really important, the reverse camera. So that is one thing which I'm going to put. That is all. Like, I'm just planning for these three modifications. If I find something else which is interesting and which could be done, and if we have time, because one thing is for sure, if you're going to Karol Bagh, you have to take out the complete day. Like, I am right now it is, I think, 1 p.m. or so that we would be going. So go at the daytime, like earliest which you can, and then you have to be back around, like, I think the shops gets closed at 9 if I'm not wrong, and if there are more customers they can extend. So that is how you have to plan your day, and you have to keep in mind what modifications you want. So it's a big market and you can find everything and anything that you need for your car. One disclaimer that this video is going to be a little long, but it will be really helpful for you, especially if you have a new car right now which is going to be modified. So do watch this complete video, and at the end of it I would give a few tips and tricks of how to deal with the modification and where to go and what to do. So without further ado, let's dive into the video and see what we did to the car. मुझे ऐसे वाले चाहिए. हाँ, डायमंड कट चाहिए. डायमंड कट है, डायमंड ही कट है. ये एक पे फोकस कर, ये दो पे फोकस. So we have seen a couple of them, but I did not like the design. So we are roaming around to find another set of alloy wheels. Let's see what we can find. Okay, now we are in another shop. I like this one. वाला नहीं, too much हो जाएगा. अच्छी दिखेगी. अलॉय की गारंटी लाइफ टाइम. स्टेरम की है ना, स्टेरम की है ना. कौन सी कंपनी का है? इंडोनेशिया फ्लाइंग ईगल. So now we are going into another shop just to see variety. I am liking these designs, but those are not for my car, sadly. Not finding anything. थोड़ा रैपिड के लिए बताइए. अंकल, I like such simple design. नेक्स्ट शॉप. हाँ, चॉइस तो नहीं है. We are not finding anything. God. god, even in Corona, there's so much crowd. I am not having any choice, so I have only one choice which I liked, and we are going back. We're just looking for any further shops if we can, but I really doubt. I don't think so we have any choice, because Rapid has, Skoda in itself has different kind of wheels, and the placement, the points are different, so I think I won't be able to get any more choices, and I'll have to go with what I have. 15 इंच में मिलेंगे ये स्कोडा रैपिड के लिए? नहीं, मुझे यही वाला चाहिए, ये वाला. So we are back in the same shop, guys. I think I'm going to finalize this one. So total I have only 3 choices now. The one which I just showed, and the other 2 which we saw in the previous shop. I think I would go with the one which I chose, but let's see. I'll put it on the car and then match it with the color, and let's see which one goes well. But yeah, I'm already exhausted. Yeah. The condition of my car, guys, it's all covered with dhool, mitti. It's been only one day, guys. The PCD, I think I'm saying it correctly, PCD is different for my car, so I have limited options. Actually, I don't have any option, so I'm fitting what I have. So let's see which one fits better. Our current tires for my car, and I am planning to fit the diamond cut alloy wheels.
What I want actually.
हाँ, ये अच्छा लग रहा है. It's actually matching. 4 होल का मिलेगा ना, 5 होल वाला. ओके, और वो दूसरा वाला भी दिखा देना. There was so much confusion that I had to post an Instagram story to choose.
So I am fitting. Okay. These are the tires, guys.
So I know 56% of the population of my Instagram followers have told that the other alloy wheels look good, but I found that in real these are much more feasible, and I believe that these will be easier to clean as well. Let me know, what do you think? So cut to, I am filming this at my home because I was really exhausted and I could not vlog it anymore because I was so sick and tired of roaming around, and Karol Bagh is such a pain. Like, it is a huge market for cars, and like you can totally modify your car, but I personally went there for the first time ever, for my first car ever, and I could not handle it more.
So I did not vlog further. Like, I did vlog, which I will show you in the video which continues now. But yeah, just wanted to say that now the alloy wheels are done and the alloy part is completed.
Now we are searching for seat covers because that is one thing which I had to put rear VM, because I wanted the camera, the rear view camera for reverse parking should be visible on top. Like, I don't have to look down or something. I just wanted it where I will be driving at that side. So I was very particular in that, and finally we found a good quality HD camera. Now that is what they say, that was the only HD option with which I had to go, because all other camera qualities were not at par. So I might be wrong, like I might have researched less if you people have more knowledge about it, or if you had put some other camera, please do mention it in the comment section below and let others know, and let's just help others. Yeah, that's all. So let's continue with the video, and there is further coming, and I will show you finally how it turns out to be the total modified Skoda Rapid. Okay, so the confusion starts again. Now I have these two options, which is one is cream and the other one is tan and black. And now I have another one which is black in color. So finally I decided to go with the beige color. Here you are seeing that my car is completely open, and I am like very hurt right now because I can see the wiring going. The lights of my car have been, the seats, all of it have been removed from the car, and I am super sad about it. I did not know while I decided to go for the modification that it would hurt so much. But yeah, those are the seat covers which are getting done for us, and this is how they are doing it. The ones which you are seeing right now are the original ones. Yeah, these are the cream beige seat covers which we had chosen. So the camera part, the wiring which you saw earlier in the video part, and the lights which were open, those were for the camera basically. These are the seat covers getting fitted into the car. These are basically the car perfumes and the car charger, which I found little expensive. So we went to another shop. I'll show that later, but before that let's just see. Okay, it's not yet fixed. Yeah, this is the shop which I was talking about. This is a wholesale shop in a very narrow lane. Like you have to literally find it, and it's under like underground kind of a shop. So these are the steering wheel wrap that you have to stitch it, get it stitched, and these the other one which I just showed you were the ones which you can directly wrap. So now coming back to the wiring part, god, this is becoming a mess now, and I am really disturbed looking at it. But the engine looks so good. Look at me, guys. I'm looking so exhausted. It's been almost like it's right now. Let me check the time. It's almost 7:50. It's 8 o'clock at night, and we are still fitting the camera. And yeah, I am so tired. This really hurts when our complete car has been opened for some modification, and my heart skips a beat whenever that happens. Yeah, let's see how it turns out to be. I have lost all my patience now, and I'm really frustrated. I just want this thing to get done and just finish it off. This is the charger which I brought from that wholesale market for just 150 bucks. And these are the steering wheel wrap which I think I got it for how much? I'll link it in the description box below for you guys. But yeah, this is the stitching being done at the same shop where we got the seat covers done. This is how the final back seat looks like, and these are the front seats. I think it's matching with the whole vibe of the car, and these are the alloy wheels finally, and this is the last touch which we are giving to our car, which is the, what do we say, the matting, or the, I've taken it in a tray. This is again the charger. This is how it looks. Yeah, we are finally going back, and this is around, I believe, 10 o'clock at night. Yeah, Hey guys, cut to this is another day, another shoot because I could not vlog any further or shoot anything of the car because we reached home at around 10:30, I believe, and I forgot totally to capture video of how the alloy wheels are looking and how the entire car is looking. So I thought I'll do it at daytime when I'm relaxed and there is proper lighting, and I would also show it to my mom. So that is why we are going directly skipping one day, after which my car was also washed, by the way. So yeah, let's see the washed version of my car, because after all of those dust and the dunya bhar ki dhool mitti which have been there in the Karol Bagh, my car was finally washed, and now this is how it looks.
नहीं वैसा ही है। ये है क्या कैमरा का? हाँ, तो ये पहला मॉडिफिकेशन, ये कैमरा है, ठीक है, ये तो सेंसर है, पार्किंग सेंसर, ठीक है। देन वी हैव अलॉय व्हील्स, है ना? ठीक है, नेक्स्ट मॉडिफिकेशन, सीट कवर्स देख ले। नेक्स्ट मॉडिफिकेशन पहला ये है IRVM, ये मिरर अंदर, ये मिरर कहाँ है? गाड़ी कहाँ से दिखेगी पीछे वाली? दिखेगी, अभी पापा करके दिखाएंगे। ये कैसे अच्छा है? मुझे लगा वो पापा करके गुंडा करते। नहीं, ये अच्छा है। गुंडा लगा ना सिलाई के लिए। निकाल, बंदा लगा दिया।
Car perfume, guys. So my car is now washed. So guys, at the end of this video, little bit of gyan that I would want to give you guys is, if you have to modify your car, then Karol Bagh is the place for you. But please do take a reliable, a very good driver along with you. Otherwise, anyone from your family who drives really well. So in my case, my dad was driving the car and I was not, absolutely not. I could not have done that because there was so much rush and you don't want to spoil your car at the very first day or whenever you take your new car. So basically I wanted to avoid all of those accidents. So I took my dad along with me, and definitely he helped me choose and bargain, because I could bargain really well, but then definitely you would need an experienced person along with you. And if you have cars like Skoda Rapid or Volkswagen cars or all of such cars, then your modification options are very limited. So just prepare your mind, watch YouTube videos and go through them thoroughly so that you make up your mind that you would have only limited choice and you have to choose only from whatever option you have. So in my case, there were only 3 options of alloy wheel, only 3 options of seat covers, only a few options of IRVM and camera, and one more thing that reminds me of that, there was a relay put. So it was a coupler to coupler connection. First of all, I would like to inform you guys that there was no wire cut whatsoever when the camera was being installed or the IRVM was put into. So the IRVM was just a grip, a holder kind of a thing. So at the back of it, if you see carefully, there was the original IRVM. So on top of it, it was only hanged and gripped. So if you see the camera, that was coupler to coupler connection and no wire was cut, so no warranty was void. I hope so, but yeah, so that was done, and the power was not enough while we were testing the camera, so they had to put one relay. So all of these things you have to talk to the shop owner, or like have the shop owner also throughout, because the people there who are doing the modification, it's their day and night work, so they are just like simply considering your car as any other car, but for you it's from your hard earned money. So I don't want anything to get spoiled. So just be very cautious, stand there the complete time, because I and my dad both were standing the entire time of the modification. And at one point in time, my original seat cover like almost slipped on the floor where they had kept it for putting on the seat cover, the beige color seat covers which I had chosen. So what happened was, it was about to slip and there was all dirt on the floor, and I was like, please do it carefully guys, like it is the original seat cover. The whole point of putting on the seat cover is to protect the original seat from getting dirty. So all of these small points that you have to keep in mind if you're going for any kind of modification of any car, just keep these points in mind. And I would suggest, do not go for so many modifications that your car would one day, like, I don't know, like I would not now, from now on, go for any modification. So do not try and open your car and do modifications. If you are very confident, if you know the person who is doing it, then it's good for you. I am not saying that don't do it, but at your own risk. And please be cautious. That's all that I'm saying. So just do that. Keep that in mind, that it is your hard earned money that you had put, and you don't want it to get spoiled whatsoever. So yeah, that was all about it. And let me know, how did you find this video? I know that there were very bits and pieces of it here and there, but that was all because of the chaos which was happening around, and I was completely focused on what the modification is going to be. So yeah, that was it. And let me know how the video was. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So I've seen this trend that you guys watch the video but do not like it, so, and you don't subscribe. Why? Go and subscribe please. And do let me know if you want more such videos, because my dad is going to buy Creta, and let me know if you want to see the delivery and the modification video of it. So till then, bye bye.